was like, I'm going to go for it. I'm going to go for my dream. I'm going to go to LA and pursue acting. And then that's what propelled me to come to LA and just take a leap of faith. And you know, I think that very difficult relationship, I just kind of had nothing to lose anymore, you know?
Yeah.
So that's what got me to LA to pursue acting. And then in LA, I fell into private tutoring, which was amazing. I had, you know, about 10 families I worked with. I kind of felt like a girl boss, you know, like I was an independent contractor, you know, and it was a hustle. Like you had to get your clients and keep them happy. And if you were sick, there's no sick pay.